What's up everybody? I'm Brian, and in today's video, I'm going to take you on another photo shoot. So I didn't really know what I was doing in today's video. I had no idea. I was drained. I was like thinking what I'm going to do. I did a bunch of photo shoots over the week. I worked a 50-hour week. And I'm getting ready for my Vegas trip next week, so be on the lookout for those videos in the coming weeks. As I was going through trying to find inspiration for today's shoot, I was scrolling through my phone, doing my thing, and then I got a notification. A severe weather alert. Then it dawned on me. A photo shoot in the rain. So I called up my model, a familiar face. I'm sure you guys remember Holly. She's been on the channel a few times and she's been supporting my photography since I started. She was the first model that I shot with. She's been very supportive, so go follow her on Instagram. I'll put her tag right here. We got around, she picked out an outfit, we started heading out. We were looking for a place where we thought would fit the vibe of her outfit and the rain, and we found this nice little town. We set everything up and we were getting ready for this awesome photo shoot, but it didn't turn out the way we thought it would. What's up guys? It's Brian. I got Holly with me again today. We are going to get some rain photos.
If it ever comes.
We are going to get a rain photo shoot in if it comes. Right now we're waiting. The clouds are clouding. I don't know, but we're just currently waiting for it to rain, and I don't know if it's ever gonna rain or not. It says it's supposed to, but we're still here waiting. So in the meantime, we're gonna go take some photos and hope it starts raining soon. Take your heels, get the heels, because I want to get a couple shots of your heels. You're holding the heels.
A little musty.
A little musty. All right. So go ahead and. About right there. Stop.
If any of this property is useful to you, feel free.
Oh,
Are you sure?
Absolutely, we live here. Come on.
All right.
We have students do prom pictures in our yard.
Yeah. So.
Oh, okay.
This is all useful to you. I mean, some of the foliage is like late in the season.
Yeah.
By all means.
And benches are probably wet, but.
Yeah. But
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just liked how the trees were lined up here and
they're great.
everything looked awesome.
Absolutely. Anything you like.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it. That was nice. You don't get that all the time from people. That was awesome. All right, so I'm gonna up my. Okay, so now come back a little bit. Okay, stop. Yeah, there we go. Turn a little bit. That. Yeah. Go. Okay, let me get. Alright. Alright, now turn the other way now. I wish it would start raining because the whole reason for this video is literally for the rain. And it's not raining. The weather said severe weather from, oh, wait a minute, I just felt a raindrop. Okay, we're good. All right. All right, go ahead. Go ahead and put the other hand through, yeah. Like up in that side. Yeah, there you go, like that. And like put your heels over your shoulder like. Okay, look back on the other end. The other end, yeah, there you go. Stay just like that. For the scroll to go. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna play peekaboo around the corner here. I'm gonna shoot towards you. Pose like you normally would, like if you're walking. I'm still just waiting for this rain, okay? Yeah, like that, stay like that. Maybe if you sit on the rock ledge. Can you sit in that dress? I'm like right here-ish. You can have them like that. That looks good. All right. Boom, double stacked. We're ready to go. Ready to roll. Go ahead and do that again. Like put, yep, like that. But turn your head towards me. There you go. That looks really good. Hi, puppies. Okay. All right. Yeah, just hold your shoes. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Let me bump my shutter speed down some. Okay, there we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Like, look behind your shoulder. Yeah, there you go. That looks really good, Holly. Beautiful. Okay, let me take some like this. Even though it's not raining, it sucks, but we're gonna go to the spot we're originally going to go to and hope that it starts raining. I don't know, but it's a little adventure. You know, you gotta, what's the word I'm looking for?
Explore?
No, when you gotta change of plans. What's the word? When you got not composure. We'll come back on that word because I don't remember.
What is that word?
Oh, either way, we gotta. My keys are in my bag. There we go. But hey, shout out to the people who own this house.
For real.
They told us we could use their property at all. Like they said, go on there, you can use the porch, you can use anything. You don't get a lot of people like that, so shout out to them because they're the real ones. Man, what's that word? I don't know, but we'll see you at the next part. All right, guys, so now we're here at the library. See, library. Back with Holly again. And just got done raining. It only rained for like a split second. I still got B-roll of that, so cool. We'll just get some photos by the library and hope it rains. I don't know why it's not raining. But we'll just turn this into a nice little photo shoot day, I guess, of nothing but a photo shoot, nothing to show, just cool photos, I guess. It's always good to harness your skill. I could go for some coffee though and some pizza, something. I haven't had pizza in a long time. It is like 6 o'clock. So we'll do a couple more photos here. Hope we can get something out of it. The rain's coming down a little bit more than just a slight little drizzle. Let's get to it.
It's starting to rain.
Oh, it's starting to rain.
Like
It's
rain.
starting to rain.
Went from sprinkles to like light drizzle.
All right, now here's where we're going to get the rain B-roll going now. So now that I got everything set up, we're gonna get some photos and yeah. All right, let's go right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This looks really good right here. I like this. All right, turn sideways. And then put this hand closest to me up in your hair. Yep, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Coming in for a close up. 1, 2, 3. Going super close. 1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay. We just wrapped up this photo shoot. Went pretty good. Holly did amazing. Put in the comments, Holly, you slayed in that blue dress, because that's pretty cool.
I better see a comment.
Don't forget to go subscribe and like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you, Holly.
Thank you, Brian. Pleasure
Yep.
doing business.
See you in the next one. Peace.